Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for Walgreens for the week of December the 1st to the 7th. So it goes right till Saturday, and what a curbside deal is you're ordering stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting that box on the left-hand side with the red check, ordering your stuff, paying for it, and then driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. You can use discount codes with that, and you can get things just a little bit cheaper doing it curbside pickup. So a lot of us prefer this type of shopping. Alternatively, if you're a shopper that likes to go in store, get the register rewards, those paper coupons, and you like to roll them and you like to see what you're getting, I encourage you to watch yesterday's video, including some very cheap gain for like $1 and then some 49-cent Schick. There's some magic that can only be done curbside because those deals involve register rewards. I will link this video at the very end. Big thank you to everybody who posted in my video yesterday the 5 back when you spend 15 when you order a free 8x10 print. It's working in multiple states. Many of you acknowledged it, and it's in yesterday's video. So if you want that information, again, watch yesterday's video. But this 5 back when you spend 15 is printing when you get any photo at photo counters. If the machine is working, I had a problem where the whole photo thing was not working for me yesterday, so I couldn't even try if I wanted to. But such is life. Many of you said it was working, so that is absolutely fantastic. Okay guys, if you could do me a huge favor before we dive into the video, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Let's aim for 700 thumbs up. Do you think we can achieve that today? Well, let's find out. Thanks so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the 5 back when you spend 20. It's a little booster that a lot of us had. It's a 1 per store card, but we're going to investigate that one right off the cuff for the balance because it is a spend offer. You got to pay with your debit or credit card. And then we have some Black Friday or Cyber Monday little coupon codes at the bottom for either a $30 or $50 basket. And we're going to look at those too. Okay, we're looking at deal number 1, and it includes our best friend, which is the 5 back when you spend 20. And if you look down below, it's valid that specific week. So for this basket, we're going to grab one of these Tide Pods for $15.99. The original price is $18, and it's the larger count. It's the 57 count. And we have a $4 digital coupon, so that is really fantastic, and I love it whenever that guy shows up. And then we're also going to grab a Tide Liquid for $5.49, and for this one we have a $1 digital coupon. So just kind of like a nice little mix and match. Sometimes you need liquid, and then sometimes all the time we use Tide Pods in this house, but sometimes we need liquid. And just to show you the different coupons that came off, unfortunately I did not use the code WAG10 because I would dip below my $20 threshold. So here we are at $21.48, free curbside pickup, tax, and our $5 digital melting off. And then, so with your debit card, you're going to pay $17.77, as the promotion is to spend 20, get back 5 on P&G products, and then you're getting back 5. So it's not the worst deal if you're thinking about a massive thing of Tide Pods and a liquid, not a bad little dealio. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2, and again, you need your best friend loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G products. For this basket, we're going to go really outside of the box, and we're going to get 2 of these massive Gain liquid detergents, and they are the big ones for $15.99. So that is $31.98. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include this $3 off. So if you used it last week, I think you can't use it again. I think it was just a load last week and use it. And then we also have this guy, which is $1.55 off. So that is nothing to sneeze at or cough at. It's pretty good. And then just to show you $3, and then that weird code BFCM15, $4.12 coming off. Yes. And then that other digital coupon melting off. So the overall total for this is $31.98 and $4.12 melting off. Now, it doesn't matter that we went from 30 to 26 or whatever, because for P&G, it's spend 20, get back 5. So it doesn't matter. We're still at that $20 threshold. Free curbside pickup, tax. and $4.55 in manufacturer's melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $24.98, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. So not a bad little dealio if you love those big containers of gain, and not a bad deal. I like this one. Okay, the last couple deals you can use Walgreens cash. So this one we're going to load my best friend, which is the $1.50 off of one for the Walgreens toilet paper or paper towel. Now, this paper I think is very, very similar to Angel Soft. It's an excellent consistency, a paper that we use all the time in our house. And why I'm encouraging you to do this deal is if you remember the first week of October, there was a port strike on the East Coast, and it turned into a toilet paper shortage for like 2 or 3 days. And a lot of us saw stores just like the shelves were bare and empty. They're supposed to go back to negotiations and possibly go back on strike the first week of January. So I would get a little bit in your stockpile. You're either going to get the paper towel or toilet paper. And most of us couponers are preppers, so that's why I'm just throwing in that last little fact. So I'm going to throw in 7 of these toilet papers for $35. Now, alternatively, if you can't throw in 7, just get a mix and match. And this is very, 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 very similar to Angel Soft. So I don't know if it's made in the same factory or what, but it's a very similar consistency. And a dupe, as the young people say these days. And then just to show you that $1.50 coupon is attaching to all of them. So that's $10.50 off. And then our handy dandy little coupon code of BFCM15, $3.71 melting off as well. Okay, so we are exactly $35, $14.21 melting off with the BFCM, that thing, and then the $1.50 Walgreens coupon. Curbside pickup is free, $1.25 in tax. So the total here is $22.04. If you have $20 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $2.04 and call this a very smart basket. I know a lot of you make stockpile baskets for family and friends for Christmas. This would make a fantastic anchor. Like a stockpile basket. I just think it would be absolutely perfect. I would be so happy to get some toilet paper. Okay, deal number 4. This one is a little bit different, and it has to do with this, which is a 12 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Paris skincare. L'Oreal Paris is not a P&G product as well. That would be Olay. So just be mindful of that. Okay, guys, so we're going to throw 2 of these L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture lotions, and this one's fragrance free. There's also one that's nighttime. They're $11.99. Buy one get one 40% off for $19.18. That is some savings. And then we have a 12 off of 2 digital coupon to get the basket where we can use some coupon codes and Walgreens cash. We're also going to throw in our best friend, which is a $5 paper towel, and then load this digital coupon, which is $1.50 off of 1. Now, just to show you this, our $1.50 Walgreens coupon coming off for the paper, $12 coming off, and WAG10 taking another $7 off, which isn't bad. Now, if you wanted to do this deal and then that first toilet paper deal, you absolutely can. What you would do is do one transaction first, and then you'd have to go back into your household folder and reload that $1.50 paper coupon, Walgreens paper coupon, and it'll be at the very top. But you'd have to do one transaction first, go to the store, pick it up, fulfill the order, and then do this one secondly. Okay, so the overall basket for this is $24.18. We have $2.57 melting off, a little bit of tax, and $12 in digitals melting off. We have a 12 off of 2 for that L'Oreal Magic. So the price here is $10.91. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 91 cents, and that is called Merry Christmas to you. You have 2 beautiful lotions for a very good deal. Okay, guys, the final deal that we have is deal number 5. And for this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of these L'Oreal Paris mascaras for $10.99. We have a very generous digital coupon plus a coupon code off of this specific product. So 2 of these, BOGO 50% off is $16.48. Now, I have a 9 off of 2. I think most of you that do my little makeup deals probably have the same digital coupon. I have this one on both of my accounts, and this guy is a manufacturer. And then there's also a coupon code to use off of this product, but I'll show you that when we get to the page where we insert all of the coupon codes and stuff. We're also also going to grab this little 4-pack of the Cottonelle for $5. I know this is a favorite toilet paper. A lot of you are always asking for deals. So we also have a dollar digital that's attaching to this. So, yep, there it is. And then just to get the math to balance, I threw in one of these Junior Mints. Alternatively, if you want to get the 4-pack of Walgreens toilet paper for $1.99, swap them out. So just to show you, Cottonelle, my L'Oreal manufacturer, $9 melting off. And then if you use the code SHINE3, it's 3 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics. So that's really nice. The overall total for this basket is $23.47, $3 melting off with that Shine discount code. Tax, $10 digitals melting off, $9 for the mascara and $1 for Cottonelle. So the total is $11.58. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.58 and call this a very smart deal. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.